Okay, everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'm going to is called the introduction to TikTok ads. And first things first, um, just like the rest of the other social media platforms, like LinkedIn, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, TikTok has created a platform whereby they can teach business managers or marketers how to run ads with their platform. Okay. So TikTok has done the same thing the rest of the other social media platforms has done, right? They have created a platform whereby they can teach you how to run ads on TikTok. And the best part about TikTok is that it is the easiest, right? It's just the easiest. You don't need to sign in to do anything. You just have to open up the page, learn how to run ads on TikTok, and then follow the instruction, and then you can start running ads right away. So I'm going to show you right away. So we click on this and copy this link. And don't worry, like the rest of the links, I will make them available in the resource section so that you will get the link. Okay, you get the real link and then you can go there and learn for yourself. So we input this link and we go, right? So, okay, so this is welcome to Business Learning Center. This is for TikTok. Okay, TikTok Business Learning Center. So the first thing you notice is that there is no sign in here. There is only create ads, create an ad, right? So from here, you can see all the videos you need to watch and follow all the instructions so that you can learn how to run ads on LinkedIn, on TikTok, sorry. This is introduction to TikTok for business, TikTok ad reporting, TikTok ad format, campaign structure, TikTok Business Center, how to create an ad account on TikTok Ad Manager. Okay, how to create an ad account on TikTok Ad Manager. So I don't need to sign in to start watching these videos, right? So if I want to watch this one, I'll just click on this ad, click on this video. Okay, I'll just click on the video and then click on play. Right, you may not hear the volume or you may hear the volume. Let me see if I can increase this. Okay, you may hear the volume, you may not hear the volume. Okay, so you can just watch this video. You can just watch all these videos and then you just learn how to run ads on TikTok. Okay, most of these gurus, this is what they do. They come to this website, they learn some little things about running ads on a platform, and then they take it out there, and then they are just teaching anybody anything they can teach, anything that they want, the way that they want to teach it. Some of them don't even know that this type of website exists. Okay, some of them might have learned one or two things on YouTube, and then they are already teaching people how to. Suddenly, they just became a guru, and they are teaching people how to run ads. Okay, so but if you take the time to watch all these videos one after the other, you will be better than these guys. You will know more than these guys who claim to be gurus. What they don't know, you will know it. So this is TikTok. This is where you will learn how to run ads with TikTok platform. Okay, so this is a game changer, guys. This is a game changer. Don't let anyone take your money to run ads again. You can bend down and run these things. You can bend down and do them yourselves, and you will enjoy digital marketing to the fullest. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.